What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. As you can probably tell, I got a new editor. Not a new editor, we got Xcode, which is pre-installed I believe with Macs. I don't know if you have to download it or pre-install it. It's been a long time. Anyways, so here we have it. I was just messing with it earlier at school, but let's go ahead and find the smallest integer in the array. I tried it out and it did work with vectors. So let's hope that on this next one it should work. It was like a quick tryout. I don't exactly remember what the code was the one that I tried out. But what I do know is that I'm gonna need vectors. So we'll start here like that. Also, it does have a console, but the weird thing about this one, yes, there is a little flashing line there, but I can't like do command controls like terminal stuff. So if I want to create a file or whatever terminal, but you can type on it, like if I'm asking for an input, but other commands. At least I don't know yet. I've only been using it for like 2 days, so anyways. Yeah, so we're set up here. I could delete that. I'm actually gonna just go ahead and delete all of this, and then we're gonna build a function up here. So we're just gonna go with int, let's say find smallest, and we're gonna just pretty much, oh see, it even pops up right there. How good is that? Like it's built for this, bro. That's good. That's good. Okay. What else? What else? Non-void function. Okay, we're not done yet. Hold on. What else are we gonna work? Oh, we're returning 1. We're not really gonna return 1 though. Let's say int smallest. We're gonna grab the first one, so we're gonna go with the list 0. Something I remember what I used to do in JavaScript was the smallest number possible in JavaScript you have in negative infinity. And so I used to use set it to negative infinity. But I don't know why it never crossed my mind to just grab the first number. Also at one point I tried just setting it to 0, but what if you have negative numbers? So it's like, it's not gonna work. But yeah, it never crossed my mind to just grab the first number and set it to that. And then once you do your for loop down here, once you do a for loop, I haven't yet found the shortcut for loops, so I just have to type them out. I know in VS Code, you just do for, and it just does like the whole little shell for you. Anyways, right here, there's no shell, so you just gotta. We'll start at 1, and then we'll do list. I believe it's size. Oh, see, it's already there, bro. Already there. Like it's working very well. Okay. So for loop. Oh, why? Okay, what about the list size? It is I less than list size. You can just have it there, just cause. Okay, so now, how about we just check if list I is less than. Nope. Wait, are we finding smallest? Yeah, smallest. If it's less than smallest, then we can smallest equals list size I. That should work properly. Oh, actually, right here, we're gonna have a return smallest. Why is it? What's going on here? List size. Expected expression. What are you talking about? Oh, I see. Small, yeah, the variable. I think it takes a little bit to update. Also, yeah, square is not on here. So what we're gonna do is, oh, I need to have a vector, huh? Also, we'll just go ahead and kind of just break this apart because we don't need one here. We'll have a vector. Let's go ahead and just, I don't know how to start a vector, to be honest. I do not know how to start a vector. So we're not going to start a vector. We're just going to do it from here. Let's see if it works. This is just, we're testing it out. So this one should return 2. Oh, also the name is not square. The name is, what is it? Find smallest, there it is. Yo. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and run it. Or build it in this case. For Xcode, build it. 2. There it is. So we did it. We're good. Alright. And of course, you can also just kind of code on here, but you know, you're not always going to be in Code Wars. So I kind of wanted to have like my base. And then, you know, there's just all these other websites. And, you know, you have your online, they call them Zybooks. That's one website where you can turn in homework. There's all these like elite code, you know, there's just all this other stuff. Where you just code, which, you know, kind of have to have your base. I didn't want to download Visual Studio. So just Visual Studio. There's Visual Studio Code, there's Visual Studio, which could potentially be a good one. But that's extra memory. It's like I already have Xcode is already here. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy it on here. I think I copied it. Let me try. I copied the full. Let me just copy the. Actually, I'll just remove everything pretty much. Paste it on here. Let's. Do I feel good about this one? I think I do. I do. So we're just gonna go ahead and then test it straight away. And there it is. It passed. 4 tests. Submit. We're at 4, but I don't do 4s. I was doing 4s when I was doing JavaScript. No, I think I was in level 6. The smaller the number, the higher it is. So 1 is like the most difficult. Right now I'm at 8. Yeah, so we solved it. But you know, since I started a new language that I'm not as comfortable with JavaScript, I'm getting there. So that's a good sign. But total level 8s for CPP, C++. There is 132, so I'm thinking of probably doing 32. I don't want to do too much. Maybe maybe to like 115, and then I'll move up. All right, we could probably do one more. Actually, no, we can't. We can't do one more. We'll do the next one in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.